Hello everyone, today we're going to paint a beautiful butterfly from the scratch. Okay, let's start. In today's color we need white, black, blue, red, yellow. Alright, okay, we start prepare our canvas or paper, like me using paper, still using the light gray color. Okay, we just cover all over the page. Remember, cover everywhere, okay? And wait until it's dry. Alright, here's all dried. Find a pointed brush like this and try to find a not too small one, okay? We just put some dark color in there and for the flower stem, okay? And later on we put the pink flower. You can wash the brush, okay, because the color too dark. We need make some dark purple or dark pink, you want to call it, okay? We just tap on top of where you put the black color, okay? That is the bottom layer of the pink flower. Alright, see, now I come back and using the same color we have on the brush, get some white color in to make a little bit lighter than the ones from the bottom. And this time you top a little bit gentle, okay, than the first time. Yeah, just like that. Now you see I switch to a small brush and then you just put it here and there some small dots, make like a mini flower there, okay? And put some lines. There you go, you see, like that, okay? And take your time to put anywhere you wanted to show a few that small flower that you can see, okay? And yeah, just like that, and here and there. It takes a little while because it's so little, okay? Alright, now we start painting the butterfly. Find an angle brush like this, and I think I will start with the black first. It's no problem, you change to dark color, okay? There we go. Just shape up the butterfly first. And this part, you're not sure to do it just by painting it like this. You can use a pencil and draw it first, okay? Sketch out. So this is when the more important part is the outer line, okay, of the wing. You see, because inside is different colors, so that line, you need to be more exact. But it's okay, if you did not do it right, you can always go back and fix it, no problem, okay? Just telling you, need to be careful there. And then here, this part, maybe you should pause the video and do your own, okay? And later on continue wash, because somewhere you need to put light color, somewhere need to be really white. So pay attention, okay? That's show the butterfly. Yeah, with the shadows, okay? And then the outside edge of the butterfly wings are dark color. Later on we go back to put some really dark, okay? Yeah, you see, and when I do the wing inside the white color, and I use light gray, okay? It's not white yet. And then we're going to put the highlight in the end, okay? And then you do each stroke at a time. And you want to see the stroke, okay? Not full of white color. And we put a little yellow on the bottom wing there, okay? Alright, here's the body. And today we're going to concentrate a lot on the body part. Right now it's just the first layer, it's no problem. I add a little bit red to make it a little more orange, okay? See, remember I said I will add the white color later on? You see, now I got a smaller brush and get white color. And I think it needed longer. Let's do it longer, okay? But still, it's one stroke, okay? One stroke at a time. You need to make the spot there like an oval shape, okay? Yeah, and then the bottom part here is really white, okay? We put a really white color. And there, let's do the same thing on the other wings, okay? And also you need to do here, put a little streak at a time. All right. Yeah, pay attention when I'm doing it. Sometimes you just need to take a little time to watch first. Okay. Since now we have a white color and a brush, and go back to the orange, get a little bit touch. Okay, we do light color on the yellow one there, and then we switch back to the smart brush. We make some little light gray or brown, whatever you call it. Okay, we add a little lines, very thin lines in the wind. Okay, remember I said that the white color we want each streaks, and now we can go back and use this dark color, clear the edges. All right, there we go. You see. Okay, take a little time to do each one. Okay. And now we're going to put a little bit color on the tummy, make some dark red, okay, or dark orange to make the shallow. So watch here, and all the little details that make the shape of the tummy of the butterfly. And here we draw a few lines like this also on the yellow one. Okay. Here I will put a little bit details around the wing, so spend a little more time. Okay, pay a lot of attention here to watch. Yeah, and we get little lines here and there, and then later on we'll focus on the butterfly's body. Okay, so now here I treated up the edges of the wing here a little bit. Yeah. And then I get some dark color back to make the dark part really clear. Okay, yeah, you see here the wing, I make the shape change a little bit. It's no problem if you needed to fix anything. Okay, just go back, get the color and fix it. Easy. Painting, sometimes you get so focused on front of you, and then you don't see the full shape of the picture. Okay, sometimes you have to stand further to see what's going on. There's some part that's odd or not, and then somewhere you needed to fix. Okay, so once you're almost done, you can stay further to see anywhere that the shape is odd you needed to fix. Okay, and then you can spend a little more time to go back to fix it. Alright, we fix up here the top edge and the back wing edge. Okay, and we get a little bit yellow on top of the wing here, and get a little bit bright yellow for the bottom wing. Okay, just a little bit, so bright up the picture a little bit with the color. There we go, touch bit on the edge. Yeah, there. And probably this is the biggest butterfly you ever seen, so some little details become big. Okay, so and good, so now you have a picture to look at. There we go, watch here, pay attention. All right, we're going to focus on the body of the butterfly here, and then I put a little bit yellow light on the top and on the head a little bit. Okay, and I'll get a black color and makes the shade part. Okay, and then you will see it become clear and clear. Okay, there you go. And then see, I make the lines, you know, like a butterfly. The tummy is like a caterpillar, right? So you have the each line like that. And there we go, we do the head here, shape up. Here, watch carefully, and I zoom in to show better, and so you can see clear. Okay, all right, and see also on top, you see I leave the middle part that's not connect to the bottom part, and that shows the round edge. Okay, so it's very important what color you put there. All right, and then we put some dots on each line there. Here 2 lines. And later on you can go back and make stickers, no problem. Okay, to match the picture. And here we draw some legs. And you see when you put all those little details, you see the tummy look much like real. Okay, so it's important to add details in. There we draw some legs here. Yeah, it's to stay on the flower. Okay, there we go. All right, we're done. Okay, all right, see our picture look much better. Okay, let me fix the bottom one here a little bit, the shape. See, like I said, anytime you see something wrong, some odd of the picture, and just go back and fix it. Okay, and today we focus on doing the butterflies and tummies more. So, and each video I focus on different type of knowledge. Okay, so you can subscribe to my channel and go back, check my preview videos. Okay, so you can learn different type of tips that focus on different type of stuff. Okay, and then see here I put some light. Okay, this is a highlight, more important, but it just touch bit here and there, and somewhere only few dots. Okay, so and if I hear a little fast, you can always watch again. There's no much thing, it's just where to put it. Okay, yeah, so pay attention where I put the light. And see here I add a little bit on the tummy here, and then you see that's bringing up. Okay, it lighting up the whole pic. All right, here I add a few spot on the wing. Okay, the dark part, a little bit light also on the white. Yeah, just add in here and there a little bit highlight. Okay, that's highlight always in the end, the last step. Yeah, there we go, add a little bit. And then sometimes you just have to stop to look where needed more work. Okay, like the flower now, I think to brighten up the picture I need to go back to put a little bit pink color. Okay, the more brighter, so that picture will look better. So I will make some pink later on. Let's fix here a little bit. So for the whole picture, this is a little too thin, so now I make thicker. All right, and we're almost done. And say your name and take your little time to finish up. Okay, and thank you for watching. All right, I would like to see you in my next video. Okay, bye bye.